Hello everyone, I'm Carminia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful hexagon shape. Hope you will like it. Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Double crochet. Chain 1. 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 1. 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 1. 2 double crochets. Chain 1. 2 double crochets. Chain 1. 2 double crochets. Chain 1. We still have 6 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pairs of double crochet stitches. Pull up the yarn. Find the third chain. Second chain if you come back. Go from the back. Turn over. Pull through. Chain 1. Round 2. Make a slip knot. Yarn over. Go to any of the chain 1 space. Double crochet. Another double crochet into the same chain 1 space. Chain 1, 2 more double crochet into the same space. Chain 1, 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, chain 1, 2 more double crochets into the same space. Chain 1, 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, another 2 double crochets into the same space. Chain 1, 2 double crochets. Chain 1, another 2 double crochets into the same space. Chain 1, go to the next chain space. 2 double crochets. Chain 1, another 2 double crochet into the same space. chain 1, 2 double crochets into the chain 1 space. Chain 1, another 2 double crochets into the same space. Chain 1, slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. Slip stitch to bring the yarn over to the space. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. Then another 6 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 7 double crochet stitches all together in this space. Then we skip this chain 1 space, 7 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip this chain 1 space, 7 double crochet stitches into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 3. We are at the end of round 3. Pull up the loop. Find the 3rd chain. The 2nd chain if you're counting back. Turn over. Pull through chain 1. Round 4. Make slip knot. Yarn over. Double crochet into this chain 1 space in round 2. Remember, we skipped this chain 1 space. Now we're going to double crochet onto it. Then we back to round 3. 7 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, crochet into the chain 1 space in round 2. Seven single crochet stitches again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double crochet into this chain 1 space. Seven single crochet stitches again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 4. We are at the end of round 4. Again, we can pull up the loop, go to the double crochet stitch, but from the back, turn over, pull through, tighten up, chain 1 for more secure. Round 5. Make a slip knot, yarn over, double crochet onto this double crochet stitch. Then 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. We're going to make a corner at the 4th stitch. So we put 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet into the 4th stitch. Then 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 'Now we're going to create another corner here. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into the same stitch. And then 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we create another corner. So put 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Now again, we need 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Create a corner. 1 double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into the same stitch. 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we create another corner. 1 double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into the same stitch. 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Create another corner. 1 double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into the same space. Then 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then we pull up the loop, go into the double crochet stitch, but we can go from the back. Pull through, chain 1 for more secure.